How's it going, guys? I 3D printed this temple for my parents that are going to be mission presidents for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in the Idaho Falls, Idaho mission. And so I 3D printed this, and I actually did it without supports, which I do sometimes for bigger structures because the supports tend to be really hard to remove. And then I usually go through and I kind of edit afterwards the 3D print after it's already done. So I'm just going to kind of show the tools that I use to make some changes to my 3D prints after they're already finished. Probably the most important tool that I use is cuticle nippers. These are really, really useful. I don't know if you can see all of my shavings. I've already kind of done some work on it here. You just take the cuticle nippers, and especially if they're really precise or brand new, you can go in and just clip out little strings or anything that kind of didn't stick to the print. Also, probably my favorite tool is I have this adjustable temperature soldering iron that I just have set to 180 degrees Celsius, and that way it's just barely at the melting temperature of PLA, and it goes up to 450 Celsius, so I can take it all the way up to, if I need to do something with ABS. But that's really nice because it doesn't actually burn anything, it just melts the PLA. I also have some knives, some X-Acto knives and stuff. I don't use these a whole lot unless I just need to shave off the edge of something. But usually I can even just use the soldering iron, and just at a real low temperature, I can just kind of smooth it out slowly. Also, if parts fall off of your print after you have already done it, you can use either a hot glue gun, or I have this 3D printing pen that I use to just, you can put the same color filament in it, and then you just put, like, say one of these windows was already starting to fall off. I can just take it off, and I can just put a little bit of plastic, the same color that I printed it in, and stick it back on there. And it's with the same PLA, so it has the same melting point and everything. So I hope those tips are helpful. If you guys liked it, leave a thumbs up for the video and subscribe. I do a lot of 3D printing videos, and I build drones too, and we talk about cryptocurrency occasionally. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.